In today's video, I'll be sharing a delicious recipe of one of the most loved vegetables, that's okra or lady's finger or bhendi that we normally call in India. Very delicious recipe and can be made with very few ingredients. The combination of spices and a very special ingredient makes it quite different from the regular recipes of okra that we normally do in day-to-day life. Try this recipe, it will be loved by everyone. Give it a try and let me know. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English. I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, subscribe to my page and not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. Let's begin with this awesome recipe. So for this recipe, I have taken here 250 grams of lady's finger or bhendi. I have washed them initially, patted them dry, and I have cut it into 2-inch pieces. So here I have heated oil, 2 tablespoons normal regular vegetable oil, refined oil. Heat it in high flame, 2 tablespoons of oil, and once it's heated I'll add the bhindis. First tip here is that we need to stir fry or toss these bhindis in high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. We just want the bhindis or the outer surface of these bhindis to be seared properly. This gives a very nice flavor and texture for our recipe. So tossing for 2 minutes, you will see there are some definite marks. So that is all because of high flame, because we are tossing this bhindis or okra in high flame. So that's it. Now it's time to switch off the flame. Now I'll remove these okras and maybe half tablespoon oil will be remaining. That oil I'll be using to do a special process. So here I have taken out this bhindis and here I have besan or gram flour. It's around 6 tablespoons. So this goes in this pan in low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes. Basically we need to roast this besan so that a nice aroma comes out, and make sure the flame is low at this stage, otherwise this besan will instantly burn. We don't want that. So it takes around nice 3 to 4 minutes or maybe 5 minutes to slow roast. This is it, the color has changed. Now switch off the flame and this is what the color that we want. Now in the same pan or kadhai, I will be adding 3 to 4 tablespoons more oil in medium high flame, and for the tempering I will be adding 2 dry red chilies. Slitted green chilies I will be adding around 2 to 3, again depends upon your taste. Cumin seeds I will be adding around 1/4 teaspoon, and make sure the green chilies and the red chilies nicely splutter. Cumin seeds goes around 1/4 teaspoon. Grated garlic I have used here 1 teaspoon, and grated ginger half a teaspoon. You can also crush them, but grating these condiments gives a very nice flavor. Give it a mix for around 30 to 40 seconds on medium flame, and now I'll be adding 2 medium sized potato. I have cut them into wedges. This goes in, salt half teaspoon goes in, and just give it a mix for more 30 seconds. Everything will be wrapped up, and now I need to reduce the flame to lowest. Add around 1 tablespoon of water and cover it for around 5 to 6 minutes. What will happen in 5 to 6 minutes? The water will reduce its moisture, and in that moisture the potatoes will be cooked and the oil will help to get those roasted marks, these marks that I am talking about, and in 5 minutes it will be around 70-80% done. Now I'll add some more dry spices, red chilli powder, some turmeric powder, coriander powder goes in a little bit more amount, 1 tablespoon, and some garam masala powder. Give it a mix. At this stage I'll be adding the sauteed and tossed bhindis and 3 medium sized onions I'll be adding in sliced. This is the trick. Now I'll be tossing in open flame these okras, potatoes and onions for 5 minutes so that the onions sweetly gets caramelized and will soften yet will retain their texture. So after nicely tossing for around 5 minutes on medium flame, just make a gap in the center in this way. I'll show you why, because now it will start to separate the oil that we had used after 5 to 6 minutes, because the onions will soften, and at that point I'll be adding the roasted besan in middle. At this moment make sure the flame is low, because now the oil that was released by these bhindis, the spiced oil, will be nicely mixing with this roasted besan. So this will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So just use a spoon so that all the bhindis will not just drop in the center, and you can see the besan has absorbed the nice tempered oil, the tempered oil, and after 3 to 4 minutes just mix everything. At this stage the flame should be medium When we are mixing the besan, it was low and now it's medium. It's time now to add one medium sized tomato, salt, you can taste and add, and dry mango powder, amchur powder, half a teaspoon. Carefully give it a mix because we don't want these tomatoes to be mushy. And now at medium flame, I'll cover it for just 1 to 2 minutes so that everything mixes up nicely. And after 1 to 2 minutes, switch off the flame. This delicious potato, okra and tomatoes will mix simultaneously with their own juices and moisture and will give a very nice look. It's done here. You can see the tomatoes are still intact, yet they're soft. The beauty of this recipe is the ingredients that we have used have retained their texture, and the total combination of flavors will just surprise your taste bud. I have sprinkled some green coriander leaves and it's done. This is the perfect texture. It should not be more soggy. It's perfectly done. You can see how lovely the colors have come out and the taste is just superb. Do give it a try and let me know. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Brijesh Mohanty. He writes, I was eagerly waiting for this recipe from your channel and got that recipe. Thank you. You are my favorite food channel in social media. Thank you so much, Brijesh. He is actually commenting on the recipe of Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani, one of my favorite. Thank you so much, Brijesh, for all your comments, and I really look forward for your comments. Thank you so much for this lovely, beautiful words. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, that's delicious okra or Bhendi stir fry with the amazing ingredient. Try this recipe, we love the flavors. You can also follow Source Food Corner English in Instagram and Facebook. And if you liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.